all female. Can you run his friends list
No, no, no. Oh my gosh. I know.
Rebecca Ellison.
I remember her. She was blood attacked 2 years ago in Washington Square Park.
Same Emily's penis.
Let's get back. Back.
Getting over the flu. Of course. Is this about my rape case? Yeah, we're following up on some movies. Rebecca, can you tell me again what you remember about your attack? He came up behind me in the park, pushed me down, and he got on top of me. I'm so sorry to put you through this again. I know you're not feeling well. You told me that you didn't remember seeing your attacker's face.